Hi people, again. I wanted to show to you how to use normal modifier in Blender for you to be able to see normals when they are displayed, because by default we don't see any normals visible. If you want them to be on, you have to go to mesh edit mode, because we have option when you can turn other things here on this side, on the left side, but we also have this option. So you can see I turn the normals because we need that. Okay, let's get back to modifiers. Add modifier, general normals, edit normal. Okay people, and now I will show you in edit mode. You will see normals, max angle. We have option add. You can see placement of our normals. They rotate. You can see rotation of our normals. Okay, offset. Oh, we have offset as well. Oh, I didn't know about that. Very interesting. I wish I could have done like I do in 3ds Max program. We also have subtract. Oh, this is quite interesting. What a multiply does. Oh, this causes normals to be located in different position. Let me to darken this, but also so you can see vector what I do. I think it all depends what preset have we got. Actually, I don't like this. It all depends what HDRI map we are using, because I want you to see how normals are behaving. What is this? Directional? Radial? Oh, this is quite interesting. I didn't know about that option. Wow, this is nice. I like very much. So you can see our polygon, our normals. It is important for normals to be visible. It is important, especially when you do bevel. It is very, very important how normals are shown, because if they are not properly allocated, let me to check something. Bevel may not work. And after that, don't do that in edit mode, because it will only work in object mode when you want to apply modifier. I wanted to use Blender 5.1 beta, but it's not stable, because currently Blender 5.1 beta version is available to download, but it crashes a lot. So I'm using version which has been released the 19th of December. This is like corrective release version. I hope you like video tutorial how to use normal edit modifier. See you guys.